how to reset your Brother MFC-L2900DW printer in case you're having issues with it and you just want to start fresh. So let's go on the display over here. On the main screen, you're going to tap the home icon so we are all on the same page, and then you're going to tap the settings icon. Select all settings. Then we need to go down and select Initial Setup. Go down and you're going to get Reset. Tap on Reset and you're going to have the chance to reset a few different features of this printer, all to do a factory reset which will delete absolutely everything. So over here, if you simply want to reset the Wi-Fi, you can click on Network Reset. But if you want to wipe out everything, a factory reset, go all the way down and select Factory Reset. As it says over here, machine will reboot after resetting. Press OK for 2 seconds to confirm. So press this OK button during 2 seconds and the reset will begin. Usually in under 2 minutes, it should be done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, comment down below. Subscribe, like, and if you want to get a new printer, some paper, or a new toner, replacement toner for this model, check my Amazon links down below. I get a small commission and it helps supporting my channel. Thanks again and have a beautiful day.